everyone, I'm Eunice.
I'm Cindy.
And if you're looking for a mega development in the city fringe in the east,
既靠近地铁，又有很低的管理费，既有 ATUC， 又有 7-Eleven， 那么就在这里喽。
Exclusive condo with facilities that spans over a land area of 376,718 square feet includes main facilities such as the family lagoon pool, 50 meters lap pool, jacuzzi pool, tennis court, clubhouse, gym, and the grill and dine pavilions. Many more to explore. This project has 1,399 units and it is jointly developed by MCL Land Private Limited. Established in 1963, MCL Land major in property investment, management and development. The group owns and manages more than 850,000 square meters of prime office and luxury retail property in key Asian cities. Located right opposite Eunos MRT, Parc Esta is a mega development where you can even find Watsons, 7-Eleven and even Fairprice Xtra here. This project gives you mega savings as the maintenance fee is very affordable. Parc Esta is only 4 minutes walk to Block 5 Eunos Crescent Wet Market and Food Centre and a large NTUC supermarket. You can also walk to Geylang Serai Market and Food Centre within 6 minutes, where you can purchase your daily necessities, have a meal and even buy groceries. Travel one MRT station and you'll reach to Paya Lebar MRT, where you can shop at PLQ Mall, Paya Lebar Square, Singpost Centre, Tanjong Katong Complex, City Plaza and Kinex Mall. As for families with children, the reputable Haig Girls' School Top 47 is within 1 km, while Kong Hwa School Top 12, Maha Bodhi School Top 23 and Tao Nan School Top 3 is within 2 km radius. This unit is sized at 635 square feet, comes with an open concept kitchen, living and dining area, balcony, 1 common bedroom, master room and a bathroom. This unit is really one of the best stack in this project because it's not facing the main road. You can really hear the road noise almost 24/7 as vehicles drive by in both directions. As you step into the unit, you'll be greeted by a bright, airy living space. The open concept kitchen is really sleek and modern and it's a fully equipped kitchen with washing machines and also an integrated fridge and freezer all in the same open concept kitchen space. Step outside onto your balcony.
从阳台左边可以看到2大泳池和青葱绿意，而阳台右边您则可以欣赏到无阻挡的别墅景观。
Do you know that Parc Esta has so much more potential? The upcoming Paya Lebar transformation will happen in 2030. The size of the Paya Lebar airbase will be 5 times of Toa Payoh town. Connectivity between the towns surrounding Paya Lebar airbase will be improved. Commercial hub will be developed with lots of future job opportunities and amenities for future residents. The first bedroom is spacious and versatile, perfect for a guest room, home office or even a nursery. Its full-height windows invite natural lighting, creating a warm and welcoming environment. Additionally, the common bathroom offers convenience and style. Welcome to the master bedroom. Come on over here to check this spacious bedroom that you can fit a queen-size bed, 2 bedside tables, and you have ample space to walk around. This developer is prestigious and they have given timber floorings, so it's very durable and very perfect. The highlight of this bedroom is that you get a very magnificent full-height window, especially for Parc Esta. You get a nice panel full height which minimize a lot of this black structural area. Gives you a good view of this magnificent panoramic pool view, which you can see from the balcony all the way to the bedroom, giving you the best stack of this development. This master bedroom offers a tranquil retreat with ample space for queen-size bed and 2 bedside tables. Plus point is the full-height window with panoramic pool views that you can view from your bed all day. With its unbeatable high floor position, quiet facing, and full access to premium facilities, this 2-bedroom condo is not just a home. It's your getaway to a sophisticated and serene lifestyle. Alright, I believe you're really keen to know the payment plan for this beautiful unit. Assuming purchasing at 1.45 million, you will need a 5% cash down payment of 72,500, 20,000 cash and or CPF down payment of 290,000, 75% bank loan of $1,087,500, which the monthly installment will be only 4,468 for 30 years tenure, and an estimated bank interest of 2.8%. Based on the current market, you can cover the installment. If you were to rent it out, do note that you can still use your combined monthly CPF OA for the deduction of the monthly installment, giving you positive rental.
Alright, we come to the end of the home tour and I hope you love this undervalued gem. If you'd like to view this unit, feel free to contact us. Do remember to like, share and subscribe, and we can be found on all social media platforms in the link description box below. In Property 65, we uplift your home value, we sell higher.
我们厉害。